Yo, what up, YouTube? It's your boy Money Games. Got another live trade recap. I was at work again today, so the commentary is not live. The trade is live. I got a loss today. Yeah, I got a loss today, man. Just taking a lot of. Let me pause this. Explain. I got a loss today. I was taking a lot of I was taking a lot of B plus B setups. I'm not saying B plus setup. I have a plus setup, an A setup, and a B and a C setup. I was taking a lot of B, really C setups type of thing. B C setups, which are buying breakouts. Today, if you was a breakout trader, you made a lot of money today, man. A lot of these front side breakouts was actually sustaining and holding, and I took part of some of those breakout trades too late. I was waiting for the breakout to happen. I was buying a dip, and then I don't really like trading that way. So those trades that I did put on there, I shouldn't even took. Like these trades on here that you finna see, these first couple of trades, I really shouldn't have took because these are all chasing trades. So we just wait. Like, don't you know what I waited for? The candle is up so high. I need to pull back to $7, but I don't think I'm ever going to get that. So it's playing off the 8. Right there is already a bad entry. Bought it at 8. I don't like buying it at the actual number. Yes, it was above it, and it came back down, but it I should have been in way before, earlier, and wait for the 8. But in that 8, I think I got lucky and made some money on the stock. Yeah, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I did. I got lucky and made money on the stock, but I don't really like that entry. It's not going up fast enough. It's actually going against me. It's not going up fast enough. It did. I don't really like this candle. I don't really like this trade because I've traded kind of like how it was on my last loss day. Like what? Like this is in the air. Like this is overextended. This is definitely overextended. 15 minute looks good. New rule of mine is just I'm be trade on when the 15 minute is green, but this is extended here. You know, the EMA and everything's back down here, so this is not a good trade. This is a chase. Yes, I'm playing a whole dollar support level, but it's not. It didn't really pull back into it. It's just like it dipped, and I'm just jumped in on the dip, trying to ride the momentum back up, which are good plays. You can do that, but I just like my setups, my plays better. You can be more patient in it. So I need to be taking profits. I probably think wait a little longer. I think. Yeah, I got it. I got the trade. So like it was a pretty good trade. 20 cents first trade, and this was happening too, man. Like I've been leaving a lot of money on the table. Like I've been getting out too early today, and I've been leaving like an extra 10, 15 cents on the table. Trades in. Next trade. Got another trade. Jumped in at 45. Try to play the over 50 break. Got it. So real quick. Hey, look again. I could have got at least a couple more sets. So cut it to a different trade here. I think I was done for the pre-market there. So I cut here for the next pre-market trade. Now, hold on. Let me pause this. Now back here, I can't remember when I was down, or I think I'm like at this point where I cut it because I took a break and I came back, and I literally forgot to hit record, man. I thought I was recording all of these trades here, and I didn't hit record, man. So I apologize for that because I have some losses here, and I think right at this point I'm down like $56 on the day, or $80, something like that. I can't really remember, but another strategy like on this, like I'm finna take a trade here, and I don't like this. I'm buying the candle. It's not a pullback. I'm buying on the way up. Like that's not a good entry to me. For me, like it's a breakout trade. It's a B setup. Really, it's a C setup. I have an A set up. I have an A setup. Excuse me, man. Sorry. I have an A setup, a B setup, I have a C setup. These are all C setups. These are like C setups, man. Buying these breakouts. You can make money off of them, man. Like today is a breakout trading that day type of day. And right now I got it at 42. Look at that. Still left money on the table. Could have got out. Just a couple more cents. I can't be mad. I don't be too greedy, but it's cool. So yeah, that's where it is. So I can go back. So yeah, actually, those trades put me down like $87 on the day. Oof. So I'm down $87 on the day, and it gets way worse than that. Trust me, it gets way worse than that. Let's keep it rolling. Next clip, next trade. Okay. Like, I jumped back in here. Let's go back. Man, my editing skills is not on point with this one. Apologize for that. Jump back in. I think I'm gonna jump back in here. Yeah, 8, same candle. I don't know why I'm doing it. Jumped in at 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 826. SPRT back in it. And off the rip, I should be getting out. Like when I got in that trade, like you saw those reds come in right there. Like as soon as I jumped in, it was reds on the tape. But then this ain't smart. Why I should be? I think I'm gonna take some profits. I hope I take some profits, but nah, I should have been taking profits, man. I'm in at 826. I should have took that little profit up there. I don't know that. I don't know what I'm thinking about. I buy the breakout as a C setup. See, next time I trade, like on my C setups need breakouts. I'm just be quick, man. I don't even care if it gets up there to my average, man. Take me 10, 12 cents, whatever. I think I was doing like a little revenge trading, maybe a little FOMO as well, because I've been selling too early. So now we're gonna try it again. I think I get out this time for some profit. Do I take it off? Do I take it off? Still waiting. I think I take it off right here. Got way less than I was supposed to. That was a bad trade. I could have got way more. It's not like it just was not. I just wasn't all on point today, man. My tape reading was not on point today. Yep, not on point. Drop back in at 842. Try to pay back over 50, but let's see when I jumped in there. Like, let's see, like, shit. So I did at 842, and I really should have did this trade. 840 is the resistance level. Jumping it kind of at the top. It pulled back, yes, it did, but I mean, it's red on the tape. To me, it's looking weak. Like in the last trade I did, that was a weak push up. So now I'm down. This is where I don't know what it was. I was really hoping for a bounce, and I was kind of playing off that this 15 minutes was still green. That's why I didn't sell. And that's my new rule, man. Like when that 15 minute is red, man, I'm not gonna take no trades. I'm gonna just wait till the 15 minute set back up to green. Only way I take a red 15 minute trade, like a red 15 minute candle trade, is if all the lines meet up with all the other charts. They're all in the same area. I'll play that. 833. Okay, got out with some money right there. I mean, my trades is okay, man. Like they're okay, but they're just not on point to me. That's why I got a loss on the day. Like that trade was okay. Like I don't like that trade because it's not the stock isn't uptrending. I'm just trading like a range. I'm trading a range, consolidation and all that, and like need to leave it alone. So I don't think I take any more trades after this. I think I leave it alone here. That's $74. Okay, let's see. Like this stock is still going sideways. I'm doing range trading right now. Just pulling back. Jumped in at 811. Like this is leading up to a loss. All these trades I'm doing, I'm like, and I over traded today. Like I seriously over traded today. Can't do this in my CMake account. If my CMake account, man, I probably would just quit for the day, cause I'd have been down a lot more. I probably would made my $100 stop loss, and my account would have been locked. That's why I need to go ahead and get that paper. I mean, get rid of paper account. Go ahead and go to my real account and start building up these habits of quitting while I'm down small. Just quit on the day. Just come back tomorrow, man. But the fact that I know that this is a paper account, and the fact that I know that I can get my money back because my account's not going to be locked, I keep trading. Bad habits. And I will correct that when I put my real money down. I be like I'm holding on to the stock, man. I'm doing pretty well on that. It's just that only way I just don't like trading the stock because it's just going sideways. It's not making new higher highs anymore. Like my strategy really works if the stock is uptrending. The stock has to uptrend. Like I should have got out with like 767 profits. And I think I was just holding too long today. Added. Now, I remember this too. Like in this trade, I was holding this. I was holding this because I saw that it was absorbing the shares in level 2. Good trade. It was a good trade. I made money on it. But I think this is the trade. I got a lot. I know I'm being like a lot hard on myself, but I don't like any of these trades. I don't like any of these trades that I took here. Like I want to lose money on them because they were bad trades. So now, I remember at this point in time, I was telling myself I was going to hold this stock until the market opens, because I saw that it goes below 8 and then it comes right back above 8. So the shorts were getting there was like getting trapped. The bear was like a bear trap. So I saw that on the tape. $8 kept absorbing, and it'll go back up to 8. It'll crack 8, go back up to 8. Just forward one a little bit, because I think I wait for the market to open. Added 794 to my position, and I was like right here in the open, man. I was so surprised that this junk did not rip above 8. I was holding for that $8 break. Did not do it. And when it didn't do it there, I should have cut it. I should have cut it. When they got to 8 on the ass, you see that? Like, look at this. Look at this. You gotta slow take down your own. But when they got to like, look at this. That's crazy. When they got to 8 on the axe and didn't go above it and instantly got rejected, I should have just exited the trade. But I'm still holding. These aren't good trades. This is bad trading, man. This is bad trading. Look, I hit my max loss. I'm at 250. Now I have enough money in my CMAC account to do it, but I'm not following my rules as far as like getting out on my stop loss. Yes, I got lucky and I made money, but I feel like that's a luck play because I didn't follow my rules. What I should have did was buy now. I should be buying my 50 shares now, or I bought here. Like I should be. It was an okay trade because I made money on it, but I don't know, man. I just don't like the way I traded that stock. I broke my rules. I made money on it, but I broke my rules. And then look how weak it is. Look at the level 2. Like look at that. Sold it, got some money, cool. Look at the level 2 still. Now I don't know, that's my internet, but I hate that. Like sometimes the prices will move so fast that the level 2 will get mixed up and jumbled up and confused. Like for example, you'll see it here. The bid will be higher than the ask, and that'll throw you off. The bid will be higher than the ask, and the ask will be lower than the bid. That's like some bull crap. Jumped in for the dip. Get out. You need to be getting out. You need to be getting out. You need to be getting out. Look at that. You see that? Did you see that? Now, I'm saying I need to be get out because I'm doing this recap. But this whole time, I'm really looking at this. This whole time, I'm not paying attention to this. I really don't pay attention to this, to my P&L. Only time I look at this is when I enter my trade and to remember what my average is. But as far as right now, I'm not looking at the bids. I'm looking at the ask. I'm like, okay, it's a hidden sell, and I should have glanced at the bid, but I did it too late. Like I should have been selling, but I didn't realize that the freaking bid was higher than the ask. And then it's just see look at the numbers, it's jumbling up. Like look at that, it's just 839, 840s higher, 820s still higher. Look at this, like this is manipulation bull crap. I should have just exited the stock because the tape did that. Like when the tape do stupid stuff like that, man, I don't need to be trading the stock, and I'm just adding. I'm kind of like panic adding. Now I'm holding. It's bad trade, man. Bad trade. I had it way too soon on those. Should be getting out, man. Say face. 15 minutes red. I don't really like that is red. Starts of a downtrend. My strategy works in uptrending stocks. Hope you get a reversal, but it's hard to get a reversal when you have that 9 EMA and the 20 EMA above the price. That's a resistance line. It's gonna be hard to get up there. Added 250 again, breaking my rules again. But today was just a bad day, man. It just broke rules. $50 down, $6.98. Look at this. Look at this. Can't do this in my account, man. Should have added that VWAP if I was gonna keep adding. I'm getting dumped on again. Like ideally, I should have bought right here, man. Like that, I should have bought at that initial dump. I shouldn't. I'm in the trade too early. I should have just waited for the little washout dump to the VWAP. and bought that. And bought that to the VWAP like that. Sorry. This is ridiculous. Yeah, I apologize for this, y'all, man. This is paper trading at its finest here. This is paper trading stuff here. Cause in like if this is real trading, I wouldn't be. I don't think I would be able to hold it to be down like $100, man, on $1,000 account. Like that's just too much. Don't like this trade at all. This is not a good trade, man. Reds on the tape. Look out! The tape is real heavy. It's not going up fast. Like, look at that. This little push back up. Got a little bounce. I should have entered here first time. Got a little bounce. Pulled back. Got a little bounce right here, and it added here. Should be adding here at the VWAP. See, like that's why I like adding at these lines, these VWAPs that are these to I guess that my support was just like because sometimes mine don't hold up all the way. But everybody's looking at these lines. Look at that. This is a lot. See, like a lot of greens going through, and this came right back down. Like, see, like look at 62. Like right there, like it's going through. Like 62 should be going up, but it's stalling. It went a little bit right back down. 70s, can 70s hold? Red brought it back down. 62s again. I'm in that 782, and I know it's not coming back there. I'm just trying to get like a little bounce to make my losses, I guess, less. But I had plenty of opportunities to do so, and I didn't do it. And look at this. It's crazy. Like I said, man. I'm still a rookie, man. I'm still trying to learn this thing, man. And this is because I'm paper trading. I would have probably quit my broker already. Like, shut it down. Look at this, man. This is messed up, man. This is embarrassing. This is embarrassing, dog. I was down $12. Now I'm down freaking $150. I was checking. I was like, can't believe I'm down this much. You know, I'm trying to keep it as realistic as possible. Like, I'm not finna be adding. Like, right now, I could have added like 2,000 shares, and that'd have brought my average down to about 640 or something like that. Like, at least 630. I could have been down to about 645. You know what I'm saying? I could have did that, but I'm trying to keep it staying realistic as possible. Cause when I go live, I ain't gonna have those opportunities. So, like I said, I just added 500 shares. Let's see if I can even afford that. What was that? 7.58. Oh. Barely couldn't afford it. Oops. Oh my gosh, bro. I can't believe I'm down like $200, man. This is bad trading. I can't not do this with no real account. I should have cut it. I should have cut it at the VWAP. I should have cut at the VWAP. I added there and I should have cut it there. I should have cut at this first one. Like I should have. If I was gonna get, I should have added here and got the bounce. See, it did this the first time. Boom, open here and it got the bounce, but it came back down to it and then it cracked it. I shouldn't have added there. And just took the loss. And then what's so stupid is, and what's so dumb and messed up is I sold at the lows. I know some people trade SBRT like I sold at the lows like. This is not the lows, but I sold at the low at the last red candle, like at the like. It's bull crap, bro. Down $270 something on the day. Dang. Cause this stock actually rips SPRT. Let's see. I think this is it, but this stock it reverses and turns around and actually rips up. And I took some trades on the way up, but I didn't record any of that stuff. I just wanted to kind of record my losses. This was after the market was open. See, it's right here in SPRT. I'm playing the bounce, which is more of my. Now this was like, really this is like a plus setup. 15-minute on the green. I just cut to it too fast, and then all the lines align. It's like an A plus setup here. That's why I took that trade. And look at this. See, look where I sold at. I sold it down here. I said no, I got it right. I got it a good spot because it would have reversed on me, but it went up first. I could have got a little bit of money, but then boom. But I didn't catch it here. I was looking at other stocks, but came up here. Boom. I'm in this trade now. After the market is open. I've taken other trades as well. I just wanted to record this one on SBRT. Let me see where I'm at on the day. So then 257 on that one. I like that trade. That was a good trade right there. That was a good trade. My setup. And I jumped in again. It looked like kind of like chasing a little bit, but I was being aggressive with the stock. This is revenge trading too a little bit. When I got out right there, what did I get out? 819, 27. See, look at that. And then it went up. Then it went up more. Like I was in at 819, man. I was just tripping, bro. Look at that, man. I was in at 819. I was doing this all day long, man. Selling too soon, man. Look at this, man. I was doing this all day long. Jumped in at 880. Chasing. Straight chasing now. It dipped though, but it's a chase and got out. Ooh, that's a nice trade. All right, I like that trade. that was a good trade. I like that trade. That's a good trade, but it was still a chase. I bought way up here, and then look, I'm doing it again, and I'm not getting out quick enough. I'm gonna get out. Need to get out. Need to be getting out. Just look, I'm really not looking at my PL. I'm looking at the level 2, and I got out of a bad trade. Now 4 cents, and I was up like 10, 15 cents. It's moving so fast. Took another trade in a 901. Like this is good volume. Good volume. Can get up above 20. Nope, then I didn't even try it. And then it actually does. It's good volume, man. Real good volume. Look at that. Still going. Got out too soon. Got out way too soon. So ended up making back some of my money. I wasn't down to the step. I got down back to $100 on the day. So I only down to negative $100. Traded JFIN. You can see here, scalping it, over traded. Today was just a bad day. Over traded today, but I call it. I'm just practicing, man. I just want to just test the strategy out. Like I said, it has its cons. Like you take a big loss if you don't cut it fast, or if you don't even know how to cut or when to cut. Like today, this is a bad day. So yeah, I'm gonna play this out right here because I don't feel like redoing my Anyway, alright, man. That's all I got today, man. It's a red day recap, man. Money games. Get back at it tomorrow. Yep.